वेलकम टू TechSoftSolution। आज के सेशन में हम लोग वेरियस RDBMS देखेंगे, कौन कौन सा RDBMS अवेलेबल है मार्केट में। लास्ट सेशन में हमने डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड डेटाबेस मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम देखा, जहाँ पे रिलेशनल डेटाबेस इज़ द ओनली डेटाबेस सपोर्टिंग द डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड डेटाबेस. So now we are seeing various RDBMSs available in the market right now. So let's say for example various RDBMS, they are Informix. Advantage of Informix is fastest RDBMS is in terms for processing the speed. Why? Because programs and algorithms are written for this type of database is in assembly language. That the advantage of this RDBMS is the speed of processing. They can run the command, they can execute the queries next speed of time. Okay. Disadvantage, programming has to be done in assembly language. So nowadays no one wants to hassle their mind into assembly language to code for a specific software like a database. The another RDBMS is nothing but Oracle. Most popular RDBMS is a product of Oracle Corporation, tie up with the DEC, Digital Electronics Corporation, designed specially to host Oracle database. Another RDBMS is nothing but MySQL Server, good RDBMS from Microsoft. Drawback, only work with Windows operating systems. And the free RDBMS like Ingres, Postgres, Unify, these are the three open source database available on DOS and Unix. Character platform based, text based databases are available. Another one is DB2, CTCS, TELON and IDMS, etc. These are good database which are provided by the IBM, and for hosting this database we require server machine like mainframe computers, supercomputers, and this required a very costly budget to host this database, because a mainframe computers and supercomputers are not a small computer which fit in your home. Let's discuss why we are learning Oracle. Database software, number one database software in the world. The number one overall software company in the world uses Oracle. 10 out of 10 of the top 10 companies in the world uses Oracle. More than 90% of Fortune 500 companies uses Oracle. Largest database in the world like www.amazon.com uses Oracle. Hundreds of terabytes of daily data they are storing with the help of Oracle. Largest distributed database in the world, Yahoo.com, uses Oracle and Linux. Oracle editions. What are the Oracle editions are available? Like Oracle Lite editions, Oracle Personal Edition, Express Edition, Standard Edition and Enterprise Editions. Note, all Oracle editions are free for self-learning, they are for development, and it's free for software testing. Oracle Lite Edition, Mobile Edition, available only on Android and Symbian mobiles, Windows mobiles editions, free for end user. Oracle Personal Editions, Desktop edition, single user version, free for end user, available on DOS and Windows. Oracle Express edition, it is a server edition, multi-user version where you can enable multiple users session onto that particular server. They can access a database in their session, a single database, available on Windows, Linux, Unix and iOS system. Free for end user. DB size cannot exceed 10 GB. In the Express edition, we can't exceed 10 GB of DB size. Oracle Standard Edition, Server Edition, multi-user versions are available for 113 operating system. No limit for DB size. Approximate charge for 10 users around 2.5 lakh. Advanced features such as table partitioning, indexing partitioning, nested tables, role-based access control, RAC, etc. not available. Oracle Enterprise Edition, complete Oracle. Advanced features such as table partitioning, indexing, partitioning, nested tables, role-based access control, etc. are available. Approximate charges for 10 users about 40 lakhs. The next lecture topic would be history of SQL. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us in the comment. We will glad to help you. Thanks for watching. Hit our like button or subscribe our channel for more details for next lecture.